Good morning. Welcome to pre-market prep on 2/4. Venderman here with FuturestraderElite. We're going to jump into the 1 hour chart on NQ. Let's go here. Alright, so as you can see, we have us some overhead trend lines here on the 1 hour. We got a 4 hour up here, a 1 hour. Well, this one here could be considered a 4 hour, and then this is the 1 hour. And then we got this big imbalance zone that was put in yesterday. You know, it is it's huge. This imbalance zone is from like 650 to 960, 950 to 960, something like that, 300 points. We have that, and then we have you know, we had this drop, and we come up and we're kind of flagging out like maybe they want to take this down some more. Yesterday in pre-market prep, I had mentioned getting down into the 100s when we was up here in the 900s, and I actually said I couldn't imagine we'd go down there today, and then they just dropped it. I was like, are you kidding me? Completely not what I was expecting yesterday. But you know, you can't you got to take what the market will give you. So with that said, I'm going to run down these zones here real quick. These precision entry zones are about 360 to 370. This one here is 273 to 283. You see we got this 1 hour trend line down here, the green one on the bottom side. We got let's see, precision entry zone here, 235 to 225, and this one right down here is 195 to 185. And you can see when we had that drop yesterday, we tagged that trend line and got the bounce. You know, that trend line was already there from back here on the drop, and then, you know, say tagged it around 220, 218, 220, something like that. It tagged it and then went up a little over 200 points. So that would have been a clean play. Risk to reward right there. Even if you just went in that with 1 micro or 2 or 5 or 1 NQ or 2, whatever you are comfortable trading, that would have been a really good trade right there. To the top side here, our golden pivot is at 556. We got a precision entry zone at 602 to 612. Then, of course, we got this imbalance with this R1 in here. Pivot, which is at 893. You know, say that they do want to try to bring this back to the upside and we get above that golden pivot in this precision entry zone. I would think that they would try to fill some of this imbalance. That's a big imbalance zone. And, you know, let's say they get up here. If they do, I'm going to be looking to go short on this trend line here. It depends on what the charts are telling me at that time. If it looks weak and it gets up here, I'll be shorting when it gets to this trend line. If it looks like it's kind of strong, and let's say it's over here somewhere late in the day, and they already break this, I might be thinking that they're going to attempt to fill that box and tag this trend line. Just got to wait and see what it looks like when it gets there. This precision entry zone up here is 990 to 26,000, 35 to 45. You got another imbalance zone up here from about 51 to 140, 150, and then we're going to leave these precision entry zones alone for now. They're way on up there, 1,000 points away. We'll see what happens with when the market opens, and then I'll post an update screenshot in Discord before the market opens in case this does get some movement going on before the market opens. And I'll see you guys in Discord. And we had our first live trade room paid yesterday, which was really good, and we'll be back at that again tomorrow. Be glad for anyone to join us and trade with us. Everybody stay safe, stay sharp. You know, let them trades come to you. Hit them base hits, because them home runs are the payouts. Base hits on the daily. Home runs equal the home runs ain't the type of trade. It's taking the payout. Everybody have a great day. I'll see you guys in Discord.